Nothing better than seeing that sold sign when buying your first home. Well, whether it's your first time buying or selling a home or you're a seasoned pro, every year brings new challenges and opportunities. So I'm here with Rachel Schwab from the Equitable Bank with a look at the upcoming 2017 real estate market. Good to see you.
You too.
I think this sounds great to people who are looking to buy, they're looking to sell. They want to know, what's the landscape like? So when you really break this down, one of the things you think about is first-time home buyers first, right?
Yeah, absolutely. There's a bigger first-time home buyer market. People were kind of sitting on the sidelines waiting, thinking about it for a few years, and now we're starting to see people go, yeah, I'm ready. I'm ready to buy my first house. So if you're a first-time home buyer, I'm telling you right now, get moving.
Really?
Yes. Get to the bank, get to Equitable, talk to a loan officer, get pre-approved. Because you can't do anything until you have that underwritten pre-approval.
Okay. And pre-approval and pre-qualification?
Different.
Different.
Yes, different. Pre-approval, Equitable is one of the institutions where we underwrite your pre-approval, so you can feel confident that you can afford that house. And your realtor is going to know when they see Equitable's name on that pre-approval that, okay, this person can really afford this house. This is a legit offer.
That's great. I think that's so helpful because it can move quickly. And a lot of people, once they put those offers in, they do want it to move quickly.
Right.
How about for buyers, all buyers in general?
Yeah, so buyers, if you're thinking about buying this year, you want to start moving, you want to get, like I said, get that pre-approval. You want to know that there's affordable financing. There's all sorts of different financing packages around. There's also grants available. There's different down payment programs or grants that you can get, and that's why you want to talk to a loan officer. I cannot stress this enough. It's kind of going to be my theme today is you've got to get moving. Especially, I was just talking with someone, we were saying the weather is warmer, so people are out and they're thinking about buying and selling.
Looking around, scoping it out in the
normally
neighborhood.
We'd have a lot of snow and maybe it would be a little bit slower, but we're starting to see it really ramp up.
That's great. And so the thing to remember too is it's not sold until there's a signed contract, right?
Yes. Yes, absolutely. So, you might think like, oh, I got this. I wrote an offer. Oh, and then someone swoops in and writes a better offer. You need to make sure that you have a solid offer.
So it doesn't go in order of the offers? That's not how it works?
Well, I mean, you might in one day, a seller might get 3 offers. And they can choose from that, and before they accept an offer, they can look at their different options. So you want to make sure that it's a solid offer, that, again, you're pre-approved, so the financing is in place. You want to go in with as little contingencies as possible, meaning if you have another house to sell, if you can manage to not have that be a contingency, be flexible with your closing date, because the sellers might be building and they need a little flexibility or whatever it is. And then also, we've talked about this before, writing a letter. Telling someone why you want their house,
that is so cute.
Hey, I grew up in this neighborhood and I'm coming back from another state and I really want to be in this neighborhood, or I have a family that I think would be perfect
I love
here.
That. Would you submit that with your offer?
Yes.
Really?
Yes, and
That's
it makes
so
a difference all the time.
I bet, because think about it. I mean, if you lived in this home, you want to give it to someone who cares about it as much as the memories that you made there.
Yeah, I mean, people have an emotional tie to their house. I mean, think about that. So if you can appeal to that.
Love it. That is a great idea.
When all things are equal, I mean, that's the deal breaker there.
How about for sellers? What do they need to know?
So sellers, you want to make sure that you're prepping your house now. Don't wait. So if you're like, oh, I want to put my house on the market in March or April. Okay, you should already be working on your house.
It basically is March now.
Yeah, right, exactly. So you should be deep cleaning. You should be staging your house. You should be fixing any little things that need to be fixed. I cannot stress enough that now is the time to be moving on things. You also need to work with a good realtor. And that actually goes for both sides. But the sellers, it's really important that you interview your realtor. Talk to your friends and family. Who have they used for buying and selling real estate? Look at reviews. Certainly you can go on Zillow and Realtor.com and you can see all these different realtors and see what kind of houses are they selling and how much are they selling for, and then you just talk to them because you want to have that connection. I mean, this is a huge transaction.
Absolutely.
So you want to make sure that you have a connection with that person and that you like their style.
So for buyers and sellers as well, you say know your market, know your neighborhood.
Absolutely. Do a little research on your own. certainly you need to have that good realtor. You need to have a loan officer that knows what they're doing, because they're going to work as a team to make sure that you have the best buying or selling experience that you can. You get the most money or the most house for your money. But know your market. Do your own research, so that you're not going in blindly.
I love it. So people can contact Equitable Bank, get their pre-approval, pre-qualification, all that good stuff. Anything they need to get done, right?
Yes,
but
we'll get you started, but I cannot stress enough.
Get your butt moving.
Get your butt moving, because now it's already started.
Yep, absolutely. All right, the Equitable Bank, you can give a call today at 414-777-4411. Thanks so much, Rachel.
Thanks for
Good
having
to see
me.
you.